Hello, friend. Welcome back. In our previous lecture, we are completed actually our password update and profile update is perfectly okay. So now this time we are actually working with category module. Actually, here is this all of these entire things will be the by default our backend dashboard template has came, but it will be better. I initially I just clean for entire things and step by step we just make it gradually like this one. Look at that. Here is actually our live URL. If I just go to this our project and here now here is this our live project, and here we just go to our manage restaurant. After under the manage restaurant we get some product, create product option, products option, category list, reservation, and product reviews. So before we creating the product we must need to create a category. It will be important, and currently our live project was category is looking like this. And when you just add new and you just grab this type of field, actually all of this entire things we will came from our actually our backend theme and our first tutorial. Actually our first, first making the first tutorial I just sharing my backend template as and also as sharing my frontend template as well. I hope you will collect it, or otherwise, if you have faced any issues, so please ping me for WhatsApp or YouTube comment list. And this humble request, guys, if you really like this type of project tutorial, so humble request, please like, and also if you want for share of your friend as well, also mention for your valuable comment. Actually, it will help with extra motivation to create a new videos. Actually, you know that creating or generating this type of project videos is really difficult, and more problem is to creating is making it lots of time is needed, actually, to be honest. So humble request, please at least one like or comment. It will help me a lot, really. Okay. Now we jump to our VS Code. It will be better for actually here is this for all of this inter sidebar will be removed, and step by step we will jump from this. So go to our VS Code. Okay. Now just close, and here is our current web.plate. Actually web.php, sorry, not plate. So now go to our backend, and here look at that. This is the settings, actually section, yeah, and this is the sidebar. Okay, and so better I just give only for initially first format this. Okay, and now here is this. So we just only keep our dashboard only looks like, yeah, and all above things so we need to be removed. Okay, so let's remove localization. Okay, okay, now check for the browser. Now keep reload our browser. Yes, only dashboard and others is gone. So now we just put the manage restaurant. Okay, okay. Here is already our dashboard, and now after this for actually is our static plate, nothing like this. Here is this li, and just close for li. Perfect. And Now for the anchor tag and closest a. Okay, and now we just put the icon. That's fine. And now this is one tag like manager student, and then we just for under the manager student, we just bring out the UL another list, and we just for suppose here is this for create products, and this is the products. Here is this products. As all of this is static, nothing else. Don't worry, you just all of this type of code you will GitHub in step by step. I'll share the GitHub link as well, because for typing for this entire things it's really takes too much times for quick purpose here. Though we are not creating any route, so better we just make a controller like PHP artisan make controller. This is the backend and it's a category controller. That's it. And it should definitely must be resource controller, and all of these type of things will be put in here. And go to the wave, and now here is this. Look at it. This is the admin. Okay. So now here is the category route. Source the category, and this is the category controller, and it's a class. Perfect. So fine. Now here is this. The URL will be gone, and yet look at it. Perfect. And go to the category controller and create our logic step by step. So but the problem is we need to first create a table, actually model and table. So now PHP artisan make model category, and that's the migration as well. Okay, so now this is a category. We just like protected dollar, got it, and yeah, perfect. This is a protected done, and now this is the category table. What the issue? Okay, now this is a category. Is the first field will be name. Just put for this name, then puts for so slug, and here now need for this image table. It's like in here, so long text will be the description. Then for this is the two option, actually it will shows in home or not, that's the things. And another thing is this status. like, yeah, I just format the document, and yes, the document have been formatted. Perfect. And now this table has been migrated. Perfect. Okay. Just remove this, not needed, and jump to the index file. We just make this small query in here, very simple, like category. So category order by some name, and it will be the ascending order, and put for this gate, and this is the return, this is the view, this guy backend dot category dot index, and compact will be the category. That's fine. So now we need just a blade. This is the backend. Create the folder. Name is category, and we just put three file. One will be the index.blade.php first, and the second will be create.blade.php, create.blade.php, and third will be edit.blade.php. Perfect. So now index.blade.php in here. Now they, oh, here is this we need for the model, this assigned to the model. Okay. Perfect. Extends, sorry, here is this backend master section will be the content at the rate end section. Now here is just skip reload, and now here is this the four, actually five item will be showing here. And now go to the category list, and here is this our mastering blade is perfectly included. And now we are just designing for looks like for this type of list. Actually, initial goal is this type of list. Now create file, now edit file is, and everything. And also as well as here is this for this bulk action delete. Okay, it's a very advanced functionality have in here. So delete selected, and it's a prop for is a sweet alert, and etc. And after this next video we'll be performing this type of area. Okay. So okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next videos. And also humble request, if you like this video, so please at least put for the comment, and also press the thumbs up button, and it inspires me grow a lot. I actually, my intention is to fully completed this type of project, and definitely share the source code as well. If you have more any question for necessary information is required, so please, here is this WhatsApp. Please jump for the WhatsApp and you just you say go to the masses, and I just directly connected with you. So okay, thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.